Hi, I'm Dr. Vedati Patyan. In this video, I will be sharing with you homeopathic medicines that you could try for headaches. Also, I will be sharing with you our website, healthconcept.in. We are a team of 3 types of different health professionals, homeopathic doctors, nutritionists, and yoga instructors. We've come together to make this online platform for you to try so you can opt, no matter whatever your disorder, be it headache or anything else, you can try our homeopathic treatment online where we can courier the medicine to you, or our nutritional plans, or the yoga playlists where the asanas will be sent to you online. Right from the start, I would like to mention that if you can actually go and see a homeopathic doctor, then that is the best option. However, for some pressing reason, if you're unable to do so, then please log on to our website and we can courier the medicine to you.